Are you ready for the absolute best Efo Riro you've ever tasted? It's rich, thick, smoky, and uses my grandma's secret ingredients. You need this recipe. First, the base. We need premium blended peppers, onions, and lots of high-quality palm oil. Fry the pepper mix until completely dry and fragrant. No water. Now for the flavor depth. The secret is the combination of stockfish, the bone and flesh, and loads of our ground crayfish. No compromises here. The smoky secret is this. Let the stew simmer with the dried fish pieces for at least 15 minutes before adding anything else. This infuses that deep, traditional flavor. Next, the greens. We're using fresh Efo or spinach, washed and chopped. Add a handful at a time and stir just until it wilts. We want the green color and the crunch. A final seasoning check and one last dose of flavor with our whole dried prawns. Stir everything together gently to avoid breaking the delicate fish pieces. That's it, the ultimate smoky Efo Riro. If you want this exact flavor, you need our quality ingredients. Seriously, trust me on this one. Find all the premium stockfish, crayfish, and dried fish you need in the description below. Subscribe for more Nigerian food secrets.